what you can. When you can. Do it. Do what you can. When you can. Do it. Do what you can. When you can. Do it. Do what you can. When you can.
Pagtanano babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Luis Soning here in Pampanga. Ngayon po nga doon ini at kami po Angeles City. And to feature one of the newest baby ning Lucky Bunny. So apin po ining Lucky Bunny along Santo Entierro Street. Na pong kalapit ketang kekatamo pong Santo Rosario Church. So we're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna give you a tour. Sabi po nandin baby kasi kinidala mo naman launch ding baby series na ning Lucky Bunny. So tara, let's get inside.
You can do what you can. Yeah, and I got your back when it's too much to handle. Do what you can. When you can. You do what you can do when you can do. I got your back when it's too much to handle. Yes, it's true. We absolutely do have an attitude of gratitude, a can-do point of view. We like to keep it positive. We always follow through. Like
Sabi ko pinandin. Ngayon nga daw ngayon ni, big opening one of their newest baby kining Angeles City. So, pinpuining Santo Entierro branch. Okay, but may ito pang news is, nila pong may launch for the first time din karelang Lucky Bunny babies. So, on our table, we have 6 Lucky Bunny babies. 4 of these flavors, alala pa po karetang premium sizes or itong tall sizes. Of course, they still retain itong pagka-premium daretang flavors dareta through their large sizes. But due to public demand or insist na po na syempre ating kayakatamo itong edane mo talaga agison in reality, di ba? This is our 3rd time featuring Lucky Bunny. So, medyo may sanay na kami murin ka rin premium flavors but we're gonna try right now Isigarelang baby. This guy right here is just 79 pesos. Do the usual drill. Let's give it a quick shake. Nyamanan yung tiramisu. Let's give it another sip. Another must try for you kaining Lucky Bunny is Isigarelang Choco Malt. So manyaman din kayo, hindi po itang sip me. Kumakang portion na nitong cream puff for you to really enjoy it. Wow! For me, siguro the flavor just keeps on leveling up. From the tiramisu, I think this is better for me. Ito guys, so syempre, alam mo naman mawala rin kaya katamong best sellers kayo ni. So, this one is their white chick. And then this one is their tall, dark, and handsome. So, if you recall, kitang first vlog mi Garela, diniring tayo patry da kaya kami and we did not regret guys. Nung first time yung punta kayong Lucky Bunny, siguro diniring pantanan nyo, white chick and tall, dark, and handsome. Before kayo continue rin ang babies na mo, I'm gonna retry meaning tall, dark, and handsome. Kanya yun. Wow! Ganyan. Just keeps on leveling up. For the 3 chocolate flavor na tikman ko, this one's the MVP. Ito, so sabihin ko lang rin prices the ring Lucky Bunny babies da. So for the Choco Malt, it's 89 pesos. Matcha, it's 79 pesos. Ube Royal, 79 pesos. The Tiger Milk Tea, 79 pesos. Itong Brazo de Mercedes, 79 pesos. And then yung tiramisu is 79 pesos. So ito guys, watch out for more branches to open. If you're still interested to do business with them or partner with them, message them on their Facebook po. Hopefully, we will see you do business with Lucky Bunny and then at Manila naman po rin milk tea da kaya kayo. So ito guys, thank you so much for watching here in Pampanga. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. This is a great news for us, ang Heleños. Available na po yung Lucky Bunny kaya katamo. Salamat kayong pamanood. Till our next discovery, my name is Louie. Peace out.